Fire detected.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Amrita. I am studying in 8th class at school of Jilla Parishad Girls School, Zaira.
My name is Sumaya.
My name is Gayatri.
Oh, sir.
My name is Anjali.
My name is Nurjahan. Our project name is Fire Detection System using Flame Sensor. Components: Flame Sensor, ARDUINO UNO, LED, jumper wires, LCD display, breadboard, buzzer.
Working principle. When the fire is not detected, the system remains stable and LCD displays no fire detected. When the fire is detected, the Arduino sets pin 7 and 8 to high. The buzzer and LED gets on and LCD display fire detected.
Zabardast. Okay. System is ready. No fire detected. Fire detected.
Fire detected.
LED on.
Advantages: used in kitchens, servant rooms, electrical rooms to act as fire alarm. Used in factories where flammable materials are stored.
Thank you.